Alright, we got a 2017 Toyota RAV4. We're going to be replacing the cabin filter. Let's open it up from here. There's going to be a locking tab over here. Make sure to unbuckle that part. Alright, and now I'm going to put now normally what you're going to do, there's locking tabs over here. And there's going to be another one right in here. So to release that, what you're going to do is that you're going to simply press this in and pull it down a bit. And on this side you're going to do the same thing. And that's going to make it drop down, so make sure you're ready to hold it at all times. And down there, as you can, right there, that's our air cabin filter cover. So to get that cabin filter cover out, give me a sec. To get that cabin filter cover out of the way, go ahead and grab here onto this locking tab right here, and it's going to pop out. Grab your cabin, pull it out. Alright, now you grab your brand new cabin filter and you're going to go ahead and install it. Make sure it goes in, it flushes in well. Now you're going to put the cover back in. And you're going to install. There we go. And now we're going to go back here. We're going to go ahead and pull this up. Make sure everything goes back in. Go ahead and enter and close. To verify it's good, that's how you do it. And don't forget to put the locking tab back in. And now that that's in, go ahead and start closing it in. And do it one more time. And that's how you do your cabin filter.